In this video, we'll learn how to access the client form factor. So basically, the form factor gives us a value that tells us where your client machine type, whether it's a desktop, it's a tablet or a phone, and the possible values are like large, medium and small. And to access the form factor, we need to use the scope module, that is @salesforce/client/form factor. And this form factor is very helpful when we gonna use the wire adapters to create the forms. So we should know how we can access the form factor. So let's go to our VS Code and create the component. Let's close all and let's create the component. I'll say form factor demo. Now the component is ready. So let's go and create the card first, and we'll say title form factor demo. And here we'll create a p tag and say form factor is form factor. So I'm binding a property here, and I'll go and create the property here. And to fetch the form factor, we need to import it, and to import that we need to say form factor from @salesforce/client/form factor. So we are importing the form factor and we're gonna assign it to form factor. I always recommend to give this name in a capital. That's good to differentiate what is coming from import and what is coming from locally. So now we are importing it and we are assigning that value to the property form factor, and this property we are using in the HTML. Okay, so let's change the meta file before deploying it. Let's make it true and let's set the targets. And let's deploy this. Let's deploy it. Let's go to our page, edit the page, search your component name, that is form factor demo. Let's drag it to the top and let's save it. Let's go back. So I'm on a desktop machine, so it's showing me the form factor as large. If you are checking the screen on the tablet, it will show you the medium, and if you are on a mobile device, it will show you small. So this is how you fetch your form factor, and we'll see the demo with the use case where we can use this form factor to create the forms. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.